Gather your materials, head to the kitchen, and follow along to make another easy snack. This recipe features yogurt as well. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 1/3 of a cup of peanut butter, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 of a cup of chocolate chips, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix all of the ingredients together. Chill for 1 hour to allow the flavors to mix. This dip can best be served with apple slices, pretzels, or graham crackers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.